Information and Public Relations Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh announced on Tuesday that the state government is revising the Journalists' Welfare Scheme 2009 to improve benefits for journalists. A new scheme with a 35 lakh corpus is in the works, with proposed increases in financial assistance for journalists, families and medical treatment. The government is also considering housing facilities for journalists.
So we also have, in order to administer this, we have a committee, journalists welfare scheme committee. And so we have a box fund at that point of time of 5 lakhs, always placed at the disposal of the DIPR budget. Then we also have these schemes specifically for accredited journalists only. So, journalists who suffer loss of life, also unmatched circumstances, also are given a corpus and a relief of 1 lakh. Yes, sir, as of today, these are different parameters applicable and available for journalists.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong confirmed